Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to the vlog. Today is Saturday. We're heading over to Celebration to go to the Exotic Car Festival. It is one of the top 5 best exotic car shows in the world. It's supposed to be a really good turnout. There's going to be lots of Paganis, a couple of one-off prototypes, movie cars, absolutely everything out there. So my name is Craig, and welcome back. America.
America.
All right, so
some damage from shipping.
Turn that.
Copyright.
Not necessarily copyright, but my phone immediately synced up through Bluetooth, and as you can tell,
I can barely tell.
I was watching Tavares, watching about him getting his car painted. So, anyways, so now that I got that turned down, and no, there was no well, I don't know. Hopefully, that's not like a copyright issue. All right, so I'm still in the garage. We're waiting to pull out, but I just want to give you guys a little heads up. The Celebration Car Festival is absolutely insane. I mean, the turnout they have is fantastic. Now, a little pro tip. If you drive around the town of Celebration, chances are you might get lucky enough to be able to find a parking spot right off the street to where it doesn't cost you anything. But you will see little like pop-up pay for parking areas to where they took like parks and open areas. So grab some cash. I don't. This is probably like $5 or $10, but grab a few bucks in cash just to make sure you have it to be able to pay for the parking.
Gotta pay for parking, yeah.
He's a man of many words. Alright guys, after a lot of driving around, we were able to finally find a parking spot. Lucky enough, we were able to find a free one. Not like it's a big deal if we did have to pay a little bit of money for it, but, you know, it's all good.
I'm so in love with you. You got me down again.
Alright guys, so basically whenever I get this all edited up and get it posted up online, you're really going to see basically a whole lot of walking around without very much talking at all. Unfortunately in this video I plan on doing a lot more narrating and getting guys more involved, but unfortunately there's just music playing non-stop and this entire video would have ended up being copyrighted, so I do apologize about that. There's going to be a lot of montages and background music. Alright guys, so we are heading out. It was an absolutely amazing turnout.
So, we were going to go to Supercar Saturday down in Miami, but we would have had to wake up around 5 a.m. to drive all the way down there, which is, how long of a drive is it, do you think?
About 3.5 hours.
Yeah, 3.5 hours. We didn't realize that today was festival, so we decided this over driving down to Miami. Lots of cool cars today. We are exhausted.
Just sitting back, enjoying the air conditioner for a minute before we take off, start heading back towards the house. Like I said, I do apologize. I was planning on doing a whole lot more commentary, a lot more talking, interaction. Unfortunately, just with all the amount of music that was playing, there's just no way that I could. So hopefully I'll be able to clip together a lot of nice footage so you guys can see all the cars that were there. It was just an amazing caliber of cars. So to see a lot of this in other YouTube videos is one thing, but to actually be able to see the car in person and get just an absolute grasp on the size of these cars. Some of them are so ridiculously long and wide and low, and the build quality, some of them are just absolutely mind-blowing, while others, whenever you look at them, it's not quite what you thought it would be as far as the quality whenever you see it in person. I'm not going to say any particular car because I'm not like that, but it was absolutely epic. And Gage, you got anything to say?
Once again, that is a no on me. I do not have anything to say.
He's a man of few words, at least in front of the camera. Usually you can't get this kid to be quiet at all, and he's still trying to get a little bit comfortable in front of the camera, which I get. I totally understand. So that effectively is going to be a wrap up on today's video. I'm going to go home, do a little bit of editing, try to get this out for everybody today to be able to see it. And thanks for tuning in. And please, thumbs up,
Indeed.
like the video,
Subscribe,
and we're going to only keep getting better from here.
Only better. Just got to help us.